South of Lybster, the beds are obviously tilted, as you can see to the right. So it's really starting about November Delta 239341 as we head southwards. We'll see more of the tilted strata. You can see how fractured the rocks are here. You can just imagine the seismic activity that must be going on. There's a lot of volcanism in Scotland too, as during the Devonian, and these rocks were laid down. I can see the nice strata here. Shag and guillemot. Shag. You see the crown and the lovely green sheen on the shags. So, future cormorant. Oh, you see a nest just there. Tail sticking up. I've got a nice cave here. November Delta 235341. It's a long, narrow one. See where the waves come up and go across an undercut on the fault line. Here we've got guillemots and razorbills on the cliffs there. I can see there's a bit of a rebound there. Sorry?
Nice and noisy.
The guillemots at the November Delta 23439. Cliffs at November Delta 234329. You can see the tilt strata tilting down towards the west. See the Scarabin hills just over there, made of quartzite, about 1,000 million years old, and the Cepphus lower Devonian conglomerate sits on it. The hills of Morven and Smeen and Ravens Park. Very fine part of the sides here for the sediment has been laid down. It was horizontal originally. Well, look at the angle it's at. Incredible, isn't it? Imagine the force required to move that strata from the horizontal to about 40 degrees. Oyster catcher, must have a nest in your bag. Yeah. So we're at November Delta 232, 339. Nice cave. A bit rough today maybe. I think there's some carbonate deposits at the end. It's a dead end I think, rather than a beach. But may not be easy to get back out. Here we are at Castle Shore. Towards the shore. Castle just ahead, and viewpoint here is November Delta 231 338. Small cave at 2298. 394. You have a cliff collapse at November Delta 2295.
See all this rubble here?
3393.
All this rubble come out of there.
Yeah, it's just been a cliff collapse. It looks quite recent. See the colour.
Couple 100 years.
Little cave there, Brian. Yeah, it's a little debris washed up. A little bit of life. You see it on the beach. You know that you see at the harbours usually for throwing in. Yeah, what do you call them again? Life buoy, that's what I thought, yeah. See that pole stuck in the roof? Yeah. That must have been some force.
That's been a statue and it's toppled over.
Sorry?
You can see it's toppled over.
Oh yeah. Aye.
It'll be 5 feet to the sea, Brian.
razorbills to the left, and shag's nest, and gull's nest. There, that's quite low. Here we are, the tilted beds, and we're looking straight ahead at Forse Castle. November Delta 226, 337. See the castle walls just above us. More razorbills up to the right. Yeah, proper spot for razorbills here. Yeah, you can see quite thick calcite vein there. There's a castle to the right, or what remains of it. And an old building from the herring fishing days. And you can see the moat for the castle. On the foundation wall. Oh, I can see some walls to the right here. See the walls to the right there?
Yeah. I wonder what this is built for, eh?
Yeah. I think it was a track down or something like that at one time.
Yeah. As you see, there's a bit more over on the left hand side beyond the house.
Yes,
And it's down below the ruin of the top.
yeah. So you can see the castle is very good defence. On the side. Oh, we have a drone. You can see a difference in the character sediment there. It's a very thick layer, which is probably the one that we're seeing down the coast as well, but a bit deeper. Lots of trees washed up in this corner. Right. Black guillemot on the left. Or Tiestes, local name. That's them calling, that high piercing call. cave here at November Delta 2204, 336, 8. Is it a narrow one? Short? Is it not? On the, look, see on your left? See that beautiful vermilion leg colour they've got?
Very orange, is it?
No, it's vermilion, it's a deep red colour. Not often you see so many together. So that's in layers, you can see a quite a compacted layer there, and there's a little amphitheatre here. This is just round the corner from Forse Waterfall, which I'm just going to go round now, see? That was the way. Again, you can see a difference in character of the strata. Quite smooth, silky material, very sort of fine sort of lamina and layering, whereas higher up there, the layers are a bit thicker. So we're now at November Delta 221. 334, and we're just going round the corner into the guillemot and see Forse Waterfall. If there's enough water, we'll swim here. Recent rain, so hopefully. Yeah, it's good as well. Not a bad flow at this time of year.
I've been in here before. I don't think so.
Put another deal here. One from the waterfall. There's quite a bit of erosion there. Cabin on the left, blue cat, turquoise cat, right in on the yellow cat, and guessing the orange one, and the ready tail. So we'll just head back to